Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Nissan Juke Bose Personal Edition. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 110 brake horsepower on while still returning up to 34 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 9, and this is a two-owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 25,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Storm White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are in good condition with 2 cup holders and an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features like I mentioned. You've also got climate control and then automatic headlights and wipers. You've got folding door mirrors there on the right hand side of the dashboard, and your 4 window controls there on the driver's door card. Being the Bose Personal Edition, you've got 6 upgraded speakers in the car, including the speakers there in the back of the headrest, so I imagine the sound there sounds really impressive. For a small SUV, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts as well. And lastly, as we open the tailgate, you've got a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf, which is clever and comes up with the tailgate out the way. You also have the adjustable floor, which is actually its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below the bottom boot floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.